Welcome to Aristomath. In this video, we shall focus on multiplication of matrices. When you talk about matrix, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. The numbers in a matrix are called elements. A matrix has rows and columns. Assuming we have matrix A equal to A, B, C, D. And matrix B equal to E, F, G, H. In the first matrix, you know this to be our rows, which this becomes our first row, and this becomes our second row. In the second matrix too, we know this lane and this lane to be our columns, which this is our first column and this is our second column. So in multiplication of matrices, we multiply every row of the first matrix by every column of the second matrix and then add their products together. For example, if matrix A equal to A, B, C, D, and matrix B also equal to E, F, G, H, the first row of the first matrix will multiply each of the columns of the second matrix and then add their products together. Also, the second row of the first matrix will multiply each of the columns of the second matrix and then add their product together. So to find the product of A and B, A will multiply E and B will multiply G. Then we add their products together. So which will be A times E plus B times G. Then this same A and B will multiply the second column of the second matrix, which will be A will multiply the F, which will be A times F plus B times H. Then C will also multiply E and D will also multiply G. Then we add their product together. So which will be C times E plus D times G. This same CD will also multiply F and H. So which will be C times F plus D times H. So from here, AB equal to A times E gives us AE plus B times G gives us BG. A times F gives us AF plus B times H gives us BH. C times E gives us CE plus D times G gives us DG. C times F gives us CF plus D times H gives us DH. Now let's take some examples on multiplication of matrices. Now let's take our example 1. Example 1 says, given the matrices A equal to 2, 4, 3, 1 and matrix B equal to 1, 3, 2, 1, find the product of AB. So product of AB, which AB equal to our matrix A, which is 2, 4, 3, 1, and matrix B, which is 1, 3, 2, 1. So to find the product of AB, 2 will multiply 1 and 4 will multiply 2. Then we add their product together. So we have 2 times 1 plus 4 times 2. And we also have 2 times 3 plus 4 times 1. When it comes to the down entry, that's 3 1. We have 3 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Then this 3 will multiply the 3 and the 1 will also multiply the 1. Then we add their product. So which will be 3 times 3 plus 1 times 1. So from here you do your normal calculations. So we have 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 4 times 2 gives us 8. 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus 4 times 1 gives us 4. 3 times 1 gives us 3 plus 1 times 2 gives us 2. 3 times 3 gives us 9 plus 1 times 1 gives us 1. 8, which is 10. 6 plus 4, which is 10. 3 plus 2, which is 5. 9 plus 1, which is 10. Therefore, this becomes our product of A and B. Now let's move on to example 2. We have to find CB. So we have CB. So matrix C. Matrix C is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. And we have matrix B, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. To find the product of CB, 1 multiplies 2, and negative 1 also multiplies 4. Then we add their product. So we have 1 times 2 plus minus 1 times 4. Then we also have 1 times 3 plus negative 1 times 5. When it comes to the down entries, we have 2 times 2 plus minus 2 times 4. Here too we have 2 times 3 plus minus 2 times 5. So from here you do your multiplication first. So we have 1 times 2 gives us 2 plus minus 1 times 4 gives us minus 4. 1 times 3 gives us 3 plus minus 1 times 5 gives us minus 5. Here we have 2 times 2 gives us 4 plus minus 2 times 4 gives us minus 8. Then we have 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus minus 2 times 5 gives us minus 10. From here you do your addition. So we have 2 plus minus 4 gives us minus 2. 3 plus minus 5 it gives us minus 2. 4 plus minus 8 it gives us minus 4. And 6 plus minus 10 also gives us minus 4. Therefore, this becomes our CB. Our third example says, given that A equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, find A square. So we have to first find our A square. A square means A times A, which gives us AA. So the product of AA equal to 1, 2, 1, 1. And also have another A, which is 1, 2, 1, 1. A square means A times itself, A times A, which gives us A. To find the product, 1 multiply 1, 2 also multiply 1, then we add their product. So we have 1 times 1 plus 2 times 1. Then this ones will multiply these ones, which will be 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Then when it comes to the down entries, these ones will multiply these ones. So which will be 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Then here it will be 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Then from here, we multiply. So we have 1 times 1 gives us 1 plus 2 times 1 gives us 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2 plus 2 times 1 gives us 2. 1 times 1 gives us 1 plus 1 times 1 also gives us 1. When it comes here, 1 times 2 gives us 2 plus 1 times 1 gives us 1. And from here, we add. So we have 1 plus 2 gives us 3. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Therefore, this becomes our a square. Please try these questions on your own and leave your answers at the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe.